What?
You said upgraded suspension.
No, upgraded steering.
You said upgraded suspension.
I lied.
It's green like my shocks.
Yeah, it matches the shocks, doesn't it, buddy?
And
Got rid of the plastic garbage.
Plastic garbage snapped instantly.
Okay.
This is the part that broke.
Get the new servo. That's the part that broke. Yep. Pulled right through. So, good idea if you're putting the upgraded servo in to just spend the $60 and get the updated parts here. This is still the weak link, so not a big deal. It'll break this or this, then you can upgrade that and leave this as the weak link. So, kind of cool. Spud says we have to do a carpet test. Is it pass, buddy?
I think it's good. You lift up the front.
Here, take it for... Here, can you drive it up over that? No, not without knocking the house over. There you go, you gotta learn control. Skeech it, bud. Oops.
Yeah,
Hit it. Now, go.
No, did I?
Oops, we skeeched carpet.
Yeah, I skeeched the carpet.
Okay.
Yeah, I skeeched my carpet.
Oops. Yeah, probably not a good idea. Here.
You told me to do it.
Take it that way. Alright.
This guy. Oh, yeah, it's cold. This is
It works.